Well, there's a lot of pieces.
Yeah.
Hey. Oh, he lands that.
All right, buddy, let's go.
Whoa! Where'd you guys come from?
We came from the store.
What you guys got back there?
A truck.
What is it?
It has Thunderroarus and we can reach them.
Whoa, we should open that box. What's it called?
Thunderroarus setup.
Yeah. You ready to open it?
Yeah, Daddy.
Alright. Alright. Let's open this thing.
Okay. From the trash.
Alright. It's taller than you.
Yeah.
You're like 40 inches too. This thing's tall.
Yeah.
Need any help? See if you can get in there.
Can't break it apart.
Need some help? Just pull hard.
Okay.
Lift it up. Oh, you got it. Well, there's a lot of pieces.
Yeah. Whoa. There's Thunderroarus.
Oh, there's the truck?
Yeah. It's stuck.
Is that what you care about, is the truck?
Yeah.
Alright,
Let's open.
let's open it and see what you think of it.
Whoa, is that Thunderroarus?
I see. Show the camera. Show the front of them. What do you think of them?
Cool.
Oh, it's the T-Rex Thunderroarus.
Yeah, he's the truck.
Kind of looks like Dragonoid's arms, huh?
Yeah.
Alright, should we start building this now?
Oh, his arms move like Dragonoid.
Yeah. Hey, what do you think of Thunderroarus? What do you think of Thunderroarus? So these are notes. If you want to change it, you turn this. This is straight jump, long jump. This is front flip. This is barrel roll. Which one do you want to do? Just want to do long jump?
Yeah.
We're gonna do a Monster Jam competition with our new toy.
Yeah.
What's our new toy called?
Thunderroarus set.
Thunderroarus. It's the Thunderroarus Drop we got.
Thunderroarus Drop.
Yeah, we're gonna do a Monster Jam, right?
Mhm.
Okay. So, you already picked out the trucks you want to do?
Mhm.
Okay. And it looks like the drop has 3 modes.
And this dog sitting on a ramp.
Oh, it's okay. We'll get her off. Fox, get off! There, she's off. Okay, so we're gonna do the long jump, and then we're gonna do the front flip jump. Then we're gonna do the side barrel roll jump, right? And each truck has to do it.
And our judge is right there.
Yeah, and where the ramp is, it has points. It says 50. Here, let's show them. So here's the jump. So based on where they land, they get 50. If they land on the top, 100, 250, and 500. And we'll calculate the scores.
The driver can start the truck.
Okay, we should get a piece of paper to write down the scores. Which trucks we're doing?
El Toro Loco.
We're doing El Toro Loco.
Monster Mutt.
Monster Mutt.
Grave Digger.
Yep.
Blue Thunder.
Blue Thunder.
Thunderroarus.
Thunderroarus. He's the
And-
newest one, huh? The
Yeah.
set.
And Megalodon.
Megalodon.
And Max D.
Max D.
Son-uva Digger.
Son-uva Digger.
And Zombie.
Zombie.
And Dragon.
Okay, show them where they're gonna start. They're gonna go in here and they're gonna land in our sandbox.
Yeah.
Do you want to make a ramp that they land on in here?
Yeah.
All right, launch them in. The first one is in. Dragon. We're gonna do all the top row in here and we'll park them first. Like this is the opening scene. Okay. Who's next?
Grave Digger.
Grave Digger's in. Okay.
There goes Monster Mutt.
Monster Mutt. Oh, he's in. Okay, you got to park him. Park him on this side because they keep landing that way. All right, who's next? El Toro Loco.
El Toro Loco.
Blue Thunder.
Now the next ones are going at the top.
Okay. Thunderroarus is up. Okay, now you can start parking some on the other side, probably.
Yeah.
They're good. Keep going. Max D.
And the first one I'm doing zombies.
Zombie. You even got your Monster Jam shirt on, huh? Oh,
Megalodon.
Megalodon. And final. So these are all our trucks getting ready for this Thunderroarus Monster Jam we're about to do, right?
Yeah.
Ready to go. Who's first? So, we have the long jump on the tongue. Ready?
Yeah.
Go. Oh, he doesn't land it.
Yeah, he got 7 points.
No, if he doesn't land it, he gets 0. They gotta land it. He's next. He's doing donuts before he does the jump.
Yeah.
All right, let's go, Max D. Come on. So we have a special guest coming in late, right?
Yeah.
Who is it?
Lucas
Lucas Stabilizer?
Ooh.
All right, is he up next?
How about now? Red.
Next up is Lucas Stabilizer.
Lucas Stabilizer.
Go. Oh, he lands it. All right, next up is who?
Zombie.
All right, Zombie. Let's see where you land. Go.
He's going up.
Oh, he doesn't land it.
Son-uva Digger.
Son-uva Digger's next. All right.
Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Oh, he missed the ramp.
Yeah, how many points did he get?
That's 0. He didn't make it. Go. Megalodon's next. He's doing donuts. All right, Maggie. Ooh, let's see what you got, Maggie.
Over here.
Okay, Maggie. Here he goes. Oh, doesn't land it, but he made the ramp. Donuts before he goes.
Yeah.
Is he doing donuts before his jump?
Oh, he did donuts.
Oh, for the crowd. All right. Are we ready? All right. Here goes Blue Thunder. Oh, doesn't make the jump either.
He got 0?
Yeah. Who's next?
So Toro Loco's doing donuts first.
Doing donuts for good luck? Alright, let's get this.
Dad, I got a little straight now. I can reach.
Alright, go.
Like that.
Oh, he landed it!
Now, did he get
Yeah, that's 50. He goes where Max D is.
Monster Mutt Dalmatian?
Monster Mutt Dalmatian's up.
He's gonna do donuts first.
Oh, they all have to do donuts first?
Yeah, but Dad, all of them didn't do donuts.
It's alright, here we go. Who's that?
Monster Mutt Dalmatian.
Monster Mutt. Let's see Monster Mutt go. Oh! Oh! Does not land it. You watching the show? Alright, who's next?
Grave Digger.
Grave Digger's up. Watch your hands. Oh! He lands it barely!
Look.
So he gets 50.
Yeah.
Alright, Dragon, let's see what you got. Oh, Dragon makes it. That's another 50 truck.
Yeah.
Now we're going to do the front flip tongue where we change it, but every time we go, we got to reset it. So let's make some front flip. Up on the front flip. Alright. Let's see what you got, Maggie. Pushed up is Maggie. Oh, doesn't land it, but he would have got 250. Alright.
Donuts first.
Zombie's up on the front flip. Alright, Zombie, let's see what you got.
Zombie's driving out.
Zombie can front flip it. Oh, front flips and lands perfect. Let's see what you got, Thunderroarus. Alright, let's go do the jump. Gotta reset the time. Alright. Thunderroarus is up. Here he goes.
I'm putting his arms up.
Putting his arms up to give him more stability in the jump. Oh, he got 502 and drove away to the edge. Here's next on the front flip challenge.
He's digging in.
All right, let's do this. Go. Oh, that would have been for 500, but he didn't land it. Challenge. You ready to do the front flip challenge with us?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
All right. Let's go, Monster Mutt. Let's take you over to the drop. All right, go. Let's bring this down.
I think he's going to get 0 again.
Let's see if he lands the front flip. Oh, does not land it. Is up. Let's see what you got, Dragon.
Dragon.
Go. Oh, front flip. Blue Thunder is up for the front flip challenge. All right, we gotta make sure to reset the time. All right, here we go. Front flip challenge, Blue Thunder. Oh, barely front flip, doesn't even trigger the tongue. So he gets 50. Grave Digger. Oh, landed it that time.
Yeah, he really too.
Dragon on the front flip. Oh,
I can't see him.
oh, front flip land. Ready? Oh, front flip triple spin underneath and doesn't land. All right, who's going first?
Son-uva Digger.
Son-uva Digger?
Oh, the track's sweaty.
All right, Son-uva Digger, you're up. First one on the crazy tongue. I don't even know what that's called. Let's try it. Go, Son-uva Digger. Oh, that was cool. He landed that.
And did donuts.
Yeah, he did donuts on that, on the landing. Oh, that was cool, but he didn't land it.
Dad, I want the sun.
Go. Oh, he lands that.
Dad, I want the.
Hey.
Are you ready?
Yep, go. Oh, lands on a wheelie.
Dad, you gotta put him back.
That was a good one. Oh, he does not land that. Oh, he lands that.
He went back.
Where did he land though?
Come on.
Oh, does not even make the ramp.
Oh, I think that's the storm.
He got a 0.
Hurry, before the storm comes.
Oh, he fell.
Hurry,
Do it
before
again.
the
Go
storm
down.
comes.
Other way. Okay, go. Oh, he lands it.
Hurry, before the storm comes.
Oh, doesn't land it. Go. Oh, oh, he lands that. Now let's check in on the final score. Can you spot the biggest number? Who won?
Dragon.
Yep, that's right. Dragon won with 650 points. Who's the winner?
Dragon.
So, we just got done doing the Thunderroarus video.
Yeah.
What did you think of Thunderroarus?
He was super cool. He was doing this.
Yeah, the mouth.
Yeah.
But what's your favorite part of the Thunderroarus drop?
The jump.
The jumps. Which jump?
Long jump.
The long jump. Would you recommend someone buying it?
Yeah.
All right. Tell everyone bye.
Bye.
Say like and subscribe.
Bye.
See you later.
See you later.
Grown-ups or parents, if you're interested in products used in today's video, head over to forgebuddies.com. There you'll find links or affiliate links to the products used in today's videos. We appreciate your support and we hope you have a blessed day.
Follow, like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.